School taught us how to study, how to pass exams, how to get a job, but it never taught us how money actually works. And that one missing lesson quietly controls most people's lives. Most people work hard. They earn more over time, yet money still feels stressful. That's not a personal failure. That's missing education. School trains us to earn income, but it never explains how to manage it, how to protect it, or how to make it grow. Here's something important. Money follows rules. If you don't understand those rules, money slowly controls your decisions. Saving money feels responsible, but saving alone doesn't create security. Without direction, savings disappear. Earning more feels like progress, but for most people, spending grows faster. That's why higher income doesn't always mean freedom. Debt feels normal today, but bad debt quietly steals from your future. The truth is simple. Money is not about intelligence, it's about habits. Small choices repeated every day shape your financial life more than any salary ever will. School prepared us to work for money, but it never taught us how to make money work for us. That's what this channel is about. Clear money rules, simple habits, real understanding. If you want to build a calmer, smarter relationship with money, you're in the right place. Your future doesn't change overnight. It changes the moment you start learning. If this helped you think differently about money, you may want to stay for what comes next.